Get free Celo in Opera Mini Reward regular in this year 2026. You are using Opera Mini every day, but are you getting paid for it? Most people miss out on the Celo Reward Program because they miss one simple setting. Today, I'm showing my viewers across the globe on how to get automatically Celo rewards for free. If you have not heard about it before, Celo is a real cryptocurrency on the blockchain. You earn it on top of your regular points just by using the Opera browser. In this video, I will show you the eligible 37 countries and exactly daily routine you need to set up for recurring reward. I am Sunday, a blogger, YouTuber, and your how-to coach. My crew and I operate under the name Okpotatv. If you want more ways to earn and grow, click that subscribe button right now. Now let's see if your country is on the list. Being on this specific list guarantee you 70% better chance of earning. I have put the full list of 37 countries on the screen. This includes Nigeria, South Africa, Indonesia, India, Kenya, and many more across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Check the description of this video for the full list if you miss yours. To qualify every single week, you must follow this false rule. If you break it, you lost your reward. Rule number 1, you must have Opera for Android or Opera Mini installed. No uninstalling or reinstalling. I have put the official link in the description of this video to make it easier for you. Rule number 2, stay logged in. And to do that, go to your profile icon right here where the arrow is pointing and sign into your Google account, and do not log out during this week you are participating in this Opera Celo. Rules number 3, make Opera as your default browser. And for you to do this big one, go to your phone setting, then locate App Manager. Inside App Manager, locate Opera and set it as your default browser. Rule number 4, daily activity. At least you must generate 5 pages view in every single day. And the easiest way for this is just read the top trending news on the Opera home screen. Now, here is how you beat the hidden requirement every day. By going to your profile at the right corner there and locate reward and tap on the claim reward today. Wait until the end because I'm showing you the one browser used to earn trick that doubles your points. Now, here is how you beat the hidden requirement. To get even more points, look for these 3 options. 1, log into your Google when you scroll it down. 2, make the Opera Mini as your default browser if you have not yet. 3, set an Opera wallpaper. Also look for browse as you earn button. That gives you extra 10 points instantly. Your total point from Monday till Sunday determine how much Celo you actually receive. The more active you are, the more you earn. That is the secret to a recurring Celo Opera Reward Program. Start your daily mission today. If this have helped you, give this video a thumbs up and comment Celo below so that I will know you are starting. I'm Sunday from Okpotatv and I will see you in the next tutorial.